In a small village, there lived a wise old master named Rishi. He was known for his patience and deep wisdom. People from far and wide came to seek his guidance, and he was respected by all. However, not everyone believed in his wisdom. One day, a young, arrogant warrior arrived in the village. He was infamous for humiliating wise men, breaking their confidence with his sharp tongue. His strategy was simple: he would insult and provoke them until they lost control, proving that wisdom was weaker than strength. That day, he had set his sights on Rishi. He wanted to challenge the old master and prove that wisdom was nothing but a fragile illusion. The warrior walked up to Rishi, standing tall, and said loudly, "So you are the great master everyone talks about? You don't look so wise to me. In fact, you look weak and frail." Rishi did not respond. He remained seated, his eyes half closed, as if he hadn't heard a word. The warrior frowned. He expected at least some reaction. He stepped closer and laughed mockingly. "Maybe you are too old to hear? Or too scared to speak?" Still, there was no response. The villagers held their breath. They had seen this warrior insult many wise men before, and none had remained silent for this long. Annoyed by the silence, the warrior's voice grew louder. He began hurling more insults, trying to trigger a reaction. "You call yourself wise? You are nothing but a coward, hiding behind silence. If you were truly wise, you would defend yourself. Or are you afraid to face me?" He stepped even closer, now shouting directly into Rishi's face. The villagers watched in fear, expecting the master to finally lose his temper. But to their amazement, Rishi remained completely calm. His breathing was steady. His face was serene, untouched by the warrior's rage. Minutes passed, then an hour. But Rishi did not react. Slowly, the warrior's anger began to fade. His energy drained, and his frustration grew. For the first time in his life, he felt powerless, not because of a sword or strength, but because of a man's unshakable calm. Finally, exhausted and confused, the warrior took a step back and asked, "Why don't you respond? Why don't you defend yourself?" Rishi slowly opened his eyes, his gaze kind yet powerful. He smiled and asked, "If someone offers you a gift, and you do not accept it, to whom does it belong?" The warrior, still breathing heavily, thought for a moment and replied, "To the one who offered it." Rishi nodded. "Exactly. In the same way, if I do not accept your anger, your insults remain with you. They are yours, not mine." The warrior stood still, realization dawning upon him. For the first time, he had been defeated, not by words, not by strength, but by silence. The warrior lowered his head. He had spent years using words as weapons, but today, he had learned a greater power, the power of not reacting. He bowed slightly to Rishi and said, "Thank you for this lesson, Master. Today, I have been defeated in a way I never imagined. I came here to prove my strength, but instead, I discovered true strength lies in self-control." With newfound respect, the warrior turned and left the village, his heart changed forever. The villagers, witnessing this transformation, realized the depth of Rishi's wisdom and vowed to practice patience and restraint in their own lives. In life, people will try to provoke you, insult you, or pull you into unnecessary fights. But remember, when you do not react, you take away their power over you. Strength is not in fighting back, It is in remaining calm and in control. True power lies in mastering yourself. The next time someone tries to bring you down, pause and ask yourself, do I need to accept their negativity? Or can I simply walk away with a smile? The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Story Buzz for more motivational stories. Stay strong, stay wise.